What's up, future super affiliate? I am Raghav here. Welcome to my endgame review. As you can see, I am here inside the members area of the endgame course. In a moment, I will get over the sales page and have a look at the claims being made, and also I will explain to you in each of these modules in detail. I'll tell you the one thing the sales page does not tell you, because the sales page really doesn't talk about it. And also I have put together a ton of exclusive bonuses for you. You can grab these bonuses just clicking on my link in the description and click on any of the green buttons, even if you don't buy endgame through me. You can buy endgame from any other affiliate, also get their bonuses if you really want. Going to give you these bonuses 100% free. Also, you clicked on my review video and watching it, so I want to reward you with a free 48-hour pass to an online training event. I have attended so many training events, online free webinars, but this one has really helped me. This one is very good in my opinion, because it teaches you how to make money from 3 affiliate networks, and also this free training reveals the secret of 100k super affiliates, because super affiliates never share their secrets online. You cannot find it on YouTube or on Google searching it. This training really helped me. Just click on the second link in the description and grab this free pass. Alright, let's dive into endgame. So okay, let's see what the sales page tells us. Endgame revealed the secret proven affiliate endgame method that we have been profiting with for 12 months. It's making us $2,000+ okay, might be dollars, 2,000+ daily passively. Here is how you can replicate this exact method within 20 minutes. Set and forget system, no tech skills needed or hard work. Okay, I disagree with this. You need some tech skills. If you have to use the autoresponder, as you should watch the tutorials. Some tech skills needed for tracking, and it is not a completely set and forget system. You have to set it up for each camping you run. Okay, you can forget, you cannot really forget that, because you need to put some work in tracking tracking your affiliate campaigns and do what really works, what really not works. And no tech skills or hard work, I disagree, because without hard work you cannot achieve anything. The fastest results you have ever seen. I agree with this. The fastest results, comparatively faster results. Okay, there are so many programs that teaches you. You can do review videos like this and post it on YouTube, and you can run paid ads on Google, but you need an investment. Also, this method also needs some investment, but comparatively the fastest results you can achieve with this method. Virtually unknown, brand new method and full step-by-step training, as it is virtually unknown to many newbies. This method is used by super affiliates. I will show you what they exactly really do. Works both for newbies and experienced marketers. Experienced marketers already do this. Mostly super affiliates, this is the #1 traffic source of them. Set and forget autopilot income commission system. Yes, they do set and forget. Super affiliates will really do this. They don't they know what's working, they know what's converting. They do for this one for every camping they run, work flawlessly and beyond 2021 and beyond. Okay, I agree. All it takes 20 minutes to get endgame up and running. Yeah, you can do this, but if you're an experienced marketer, but you can set this up within half a day. If you are new, get results, and we will give you every penny back with a smile. You can grab this with 30-day money back guarantee, some testimonials from the marketers, the results from endgame. This is really the affiliate stats of James, I think. Okay, you can check the sales page in your own time. Okay, alright, let's dive into the members area. So okay, let's see what super affiliates really do. The welcome video from James and the endgame case study. He's doing this method for at least 12 months as of now, so he shows you his real income proof, incomes in the past 12 months, and also tell you why you should build a list. The importance of list building. List is what the super affiliates #1 traffic source. The super affiliates really build a very big audience of email list, and they mail them. Mail. They mail their list each and every day with new offers, and they know which is converting and not converting. How to find hot offers to promote. That is step 1. The refund rate is low, you can really promote any offer that refund rate is low. Step 2, how to build a solid list building funnel. Okay, James teaches you how to create a ClickFunnels account, and also how to create an opt-in page in ClickFunnels. But ClickFunnels cost you $99 per month. If you're newbie, you cannot invest that much per month. So he uses GroovePage, a free funnel builder software that is still in beta, and it is completely free. You don't need to give your credit card details. So you can use GrooveFunnels. You can clone their funnel using GroovePages. And then the bridge page method. Bridge page is used by mostly all affiliate marketers. You can send the traffic from the opt-in page to a bridge page, so that you can save your EPCs. You can keep your EPCs higher. EPCs means earnings per click. If you send 10 clicks to your affiliate link, and you should make at least one sale, that will be 10% conversion. Okay, if you send hundreds of clicks and you don't make any sale, that is very very bad. That will hurt your EPC. Okay, then step 3a, setup tracking optimization. He recommends ClickMagick. ClickMagick is gives you free trial for 15 days, I think 15 or 14, but you have to pay 37 bucks per month. I will show you a free link tracking software, a link tracking app that is free up to 1000 clicks per month, and after that only you need to pay. So you can use this free link tracking app if you want. So list building rotator method. This is, you can split test your landing pages or opt-in pages using this one, because split testing is very very important. You can see what really converts or what really doesn't convert. Step 5, integration with autoresponder. Earlier I told you that you need some tech skills, but he really goes into detail how to set up your GetResponse account. GetResponse is free for 30 days, I think. You don't need to give your credit card. Integrations with the autoresponder. Step 5, he really goes in detail about how to integrate your autoresponder with your bridge page you created earlier. And this doesn't require any tech skills, but setting up your automation sequence requires some tech skills, or so what do you call, some experience, not really tech skills. You can set up your automation. This is what they are telling set and forget system. Okay, you can send thousands of emails to your list within a day, and you can set up your sequence. At least your camping should have at least 7 follow-up sequence. You can grab their upgrade, that is 200 plus profit automators. They are giving their swipes. You can get this, or you have to write your email on your own. Also, I have got it covered with my bonus 2500 email swipes. These are the email swipes from John Armstrong, who given me these swipes. You can literally copy and paste it, so you don't need to buy their upgrade. Okay, step 7, sending traffic to your list building funnel. To mail your list, you first need to build a list. Here James recommends getting Udemy account. This is a very good marketplace for solo ads. You can spend some money and get some opt-ins, so even sales. With this one, you can get their unlimited buyer traffic and put your Facebook ads pixel or Google ads tag onto their sales page, and you can capture every visitor who visits this sales page, because during the launch the visitors will be in thousands. You can capture every one of them, and you can remarket to them with half of the price. Okay, before moving on to the next module, that is list building social media, I really excited to show you my bonuses. My bonus number 1 is 0 to 100 in 24 hours. That is exactly what I'm doing, what I started with this method. This method still works. You can do this and make at least anywhere from $25 to $50, if not $100. Okay, this method is very very good. And Goodwill is from Brendan Mays and John Armstrong. But inside this, my good friend Eric Kagi will teach you how to make your Facebook post go viral inside a group, and you can get opt-ins and opt-ins, traffic and sales from this one. Also, Brendan Mays will show you how to use chatbots and use messenger marketing, because messenger marketing is now on fire, and it has more open rates than emails. Okay, and my bonus number, I already told you, it's a free link tracking app. It is an advanced app, and you can use it 1000 clicks per month, free, absolutely. Then 2500 email swipes from John Armstrong, I already told you this one. And the vendor bonuses will be delivered inside the members area. You will get simplicity front end version. The software will help you leverage your social media audience, and you can get traffic from them also. And then license rights to Breakout Code and Phoenix, you can take advantage of 100% commissions. These softwares are previous products by James and are best-selling products on Warrior Plus. If you promote this one, you get 100% commissions. That means you can keep 100% profits. And bonus number 3 is you will get guaranteed approval to promote John Thornhill's high-ticket program called Ambassador Program, which will pay you $2,600 per sale. It is not easy to make this one, make this high ticket sale, but you can get this training. Inside this training, you will find how to promote high ticket products like this and get a ton of sales. Okay, so bonus number 4 is Endgame share funnel. You can leverage their high converting funnel for your Endgame promotions, but you need click funnels for this one. So let's move on to the second module, list building social media. The importance of social media list and audience building. Okay, why to build a list on social media is you will get high open rates than emails. Okay, messenger marketing is on fire. It is giving you high open rates than emails. Even email marketers are moving to social media. You have to jump on this trend right now. Step 1, create a Facebook group. You can create a Facebook group, you know how to use it, and you can use chatbots to drive traffic to your Facebook group. Okay, Facebook has real users, they will come inside your group. Okay, you can use ManyChat for this one. This training is pretty good. Step 2, using chatbots to drive traffic to your group. You can use chatbots. This is completely automated, and also you can get their upgrade and add the swipes to your ManyChat account. You can automatically reply to whoever messages to you. Okay, and leveraging your Facebook group for commissions. Then high ticket integration, this is what I'm talking about. You can promote high ticket product to make a ton of sales, to make a lot of money for just one sale. Okay, finding hot high ticket offers, you can just promote John Thornhill's high ticket offer here to your list via email marketing and via social media. Okay, and then end game upgrades, I will be explaining to you in a minute. Okay, if you click on the link in the description, you will come to my bonus page. Okay, the front end version of Endgame cost you $13. You will get access to all the training modules. You will get my bonuses absolutely free. You can get Endgames from any other affiliate you can want, and you can also grab their bonuses. Update number 1 is 10x profits automators. For $37 you will get access to their swipes, what they are using. You don't need this one because I'm giving you 2500 email swipes from John Armstrong. If you really want this, you can get it for a $27 downsell price. Update number 2 is done for you package. The done for you package is the fastest and easiest way to get success with Endgame. Really what it is, they literally give their landing pages and their split tested opt-in pages to you. I usually recommend done for you package to anyone who is working in a busy or day job. You can get this for $97 discounted price if you want. Update number 3 is 10x bundle, $47. Their secret training and assets that can 10x any affiliate promotion and commission on autopilot. Okay, unlimited traffic, I already told you, you can put your Google ads tag or Facebook pixel to their sales pages and get a ton of traffic. Update number 5 is super affiliate reseller bundle for $97. Okay, they don't approve you if you are a newbie. You can pay them $67 discount price and get 100% commissions on Endgame. So you will get guaranteed approval to promote Endgame if you want. And update number 6, sorry, it is not 5. Update number 6 is Breakout Affiliate Mastery. $697 one-time payment. You will get their flagship course, that is a high ticket course by James and Mark, I think. Okay, they do live webinars, weekly calls, and jam packed with the done for you materials. The current members, including big marketers, absolutely love this group. If you're looking to shortcut to affiliate marketing results, this is the place to be. Okay, you can get this for discounted price, but you have to pay around $400 for 2 installments. If you really have some money to invest, just don't get any of these upgrades. Okay, just get Endgame and just move on to this Breakout Affiliate Mastery and get this, and you want to scale your income as quickly as possible. Okay, that is all from me. If you like my review, just leave it a thumbs up or just leave it a thumbs down. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Take care, take action.